Yo guys, on today's Spoonful of Autos, this 1970 Fiat 500 ran a 10.4 second quarter mile at 138 miles per hour. A 700 horsepower 135i street pull. Here's some absolutely insane first person rally driving. This is how an engine looks without a head-on when starting. Here's an insanely loud, naturally aspirated RX-7 that makes about 600 real horsepower and revs up to about 11,000 RPM. And this is how a tyre is stretched. This drunk driver crashed into this Dodge Demon and the owner caught it on camera.
Oh my god.
BMW E30 continues to do donuts after the owner jumps out of the car. That's going to be all for today. If you enjoyed, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe with notifications on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.